In the province of West Java, Indonesia, severe flooding continues as a result of intense monsoon rains. The hardest-hit areas include Cirebon Regency, particularly the subdistricts of Pasaleman, Ciledug, and Losari, where the Cijangkelok and Cisangarung rivers overflowed their banks. Residential neighborhoods were inundated, with water levels reaching up to 1.5 meters in some locations. Hundreds of homes were affected, and residents were evacuated to safer areas. A serious situation has also been reported in West Bandung, where prolonged rainfall triggered landslides that damaged homes and local infrastructure. Emergency services are working around the clock, clearing debris and assisting affected communities. Flooding has also impacted Bekasi and areas along the Citarum River, one of the largest rivers in the region, which frequently overflows during the rainy season. Roads have been damaged, power disruptions reported, and transportation in several districts remains limited. According to official information, thousands of residents have been affected by the disaster, with many temporarily leaving their homes. Don't forget to like this video to support our work and help others stay informed.